Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Frankie the baker. Who's
Hello,
gonna
guys.
bake up something delicious. What are we doing?
We're gonna make something called apple pockets. We're gonna add your flour, sugar, a little salt, and your butter. We're gonna mix very slow. You know the routine, Lily. And
Frankie,
we're gonna add water.
Oh, we have to add water to it.
Yeah, kick it up a notch. And there it is.
Look, we got dough.
Mold this into a nice little loaf, cut it in half, wrap it up and put it in the freezer or refrigerator overnight. Or if you wait a couple of hours, you could also use it in a few hours. So now we're gonna start with the apple filling. You got apple juice, you got sugar, lemon juice with some zest, cinnamon, cornstarch. Whisk. You just drop your apples, diced up apples in here. And we have our dough, a little flour on the bottom, a little on the top. Gonna create a nice little circle. Stretch your dough out a little bit. Use a cutter.
And if you don't have one, you could use maybe a glass.
A lid or a glass, yeah. Water and wet the edge. And we're gonna add a little bit of apple push down. You got your little
Cute.
apple pockets. You get them inside the fridge and you pop them right into the oven, cold. At 350 for 12-15 minutes.
Here they are.
Nice and warm. We're gonna finish them off with some beautiful, delicious vanilla icing.
If you'd like the recipe, head to our website, news12.com, and you'll find this super easy but delicious recipe there. Thank you.
Thank you.
Love it.